Again, more abandoned buildings. Hello, everybody. This is Ed. On the road again. This time I'm in downtown Pine Bluff, Arkansas. As you can see right off the bat, just abandoned buildings everywhere. Tenth most populous city in Arkansas, and it's the county seat for Jefferson County. And we come up on these buildings right here. I could see maybe one building not being vacant. It's just like every building. This is 2nd Street in downtown Pine Bluff. Passing Main Street right now, and that's the county building there, the government offices. That's really nice. See the murals? Murals are really nice. Put a lot of work in that one also. That's a pretty nice building. This is the other side of 2nd Street here. See the nice murals right there? That is the Jefferson County Jail, Jefferson County Sheriff's Office, and the Jefferson County District Court. And as I turn left here, this is the Juvenile Detention Center. So this is Barracue Street. This is where the Jefferson County government building is. The real nice one on your right there. Really nice building. This is the main street, but you can't go down there. Pine Bluff, Arkansas has been described as dying due to a number of factors, including high crime, job loss, and drugs. So you got all that going on. Census figures show a 2020 population of 41,253 compared to 49,083 people in 2010. Also, the 2020 racial makeup in Pine Bluff is Black or African American at 72.9%, white at 22.1%, Native American 0.2%, Asian is 0.5%, two or more races at 2.9%. So we're turning on South Main, the main street that we can drive on. Again, more abandoned buildings. A couple of them are occupied, but same thing. But there is hope. Hopefully, the local leadership is up to the task, because they do have a development team for downtown called Pine Bluff Development. Their mission to develop and implement a strategic plan for economic revitalization of downtown Pine Bluff and its major entrances. We are committed to creating high quality places and to building a stronger community through preservation based economic development. and they're looking for a executive director. Well, there you go. Anybody interested in that? There's a job there. I got a video out there of the neighborhoods around the city, and that way you could see there's a whole lot of abandoned houses, huge old houses out there. Some of those houses are empty. I looked it up. One house had 7 bedrooms, 4 baths. They only wanted 170,000. I guess you had to do a lot of remodeling, but that's pretty cheap for a house that big. They have colleges and universities here. University of Arkansas, Pine Bluff, and Southeast Arkansas College. And you have a couple of vocational schools. Oh, and they just opened up a casino too. So, people like to gamble. So I can see that that's going to bring in a lot of income. But got to bring the people back, increase the population, tax base, and all that good stuff. But it's going to be a tough hill to climb reading up on this place. Whole lot of bad for so many years. But we'll see. Looks like they're headed in the right direction with a development team, economic development team, and let's see what the leadership does. This is Pine Bluff, Arkansas, guys. Downtown Pine Bluff, Arkansas.